question for us is, what does it mean for energy companies now that President Trump says we're going to, quote, run Venezuela? After all, Venezuela has what many claim to be the world's largest proven oil reserves at over 300 billion barrels. It's possible that you've heard that was an inflated number created by Chavez for the benefit of Venezuela's standing with OPEC. But it's worth noting that number is also the estimate used by major oil producers and the CIA. So, for the purpose of this, we're just going to take that at face value, with the understanding that Venezuela is one of the most oil-rich nations on earth. Unfortunately, the country's continued economic turmoil means that it's producing nowhere near what it possibly could. In fact, Venezuela has failed to bring on any new production projects since it nationalized its oil in 1975. Now, investors are clamoring for the opportunity to get in on the action, and it's no surprise considering the big claims that President Trump has made. They've ranged from everything of us getting a cut of the current oil production to heavily subsidizing the energy industry to bring new production online in Venezuela. But there are other major headwinds there too. Venezuela produces what the industry refers to as heavy and sour crude. Put simply, Venezuelan oil is expensive to produce, significantly more expensive than the oil that they pump out of the ground in the Middle East. It means that getting Venezuela's oil industry up and running would take significant investment, and don't think that the oil majors are rushing to get in on the action. Heck, ConocoPhillips is still owed roughly $10 billion according to their own accounting. When you put it all together, the only real answer that we have right now is that the whole situation is a mess and that almost nobody knows exactly what the outcome will be.